The COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer proves to be a powerhouse in a small package, offering a laundry solution that's not only portable but also efficient. Weighing in at a mere 37.3 pounds, this laundry dryer is a true lightweight champion. Its small size makes it the perfect companion for small living spaces such as apartments and dormitories. With an impressive 850W power and a generous 10 pounds capacity, this electric dryer ensures that your clothes are dried in no time. Even during rainy days, you can confidently wear your favorite outfits daily. The 10-pound capacity is more than sufficient for regular laundry needs. For optimal results, it's recommended not to exceed 5.5 pounds of clothes at once for quicker drying. This portable dryer comes with a range of drying options to suit different materials and weights. From a cool mode to anti-wrinkle settings and a hot mode for larger loads, it offers versatility to cater to various laundry requirements. Creating a comfortable environment is a priority, and this clothes dryer achieves just that with its minimal noise level. You can rest assured that it won't disrupt your normal conversations or interfere with your sleep. The stainless steel tub design not only adds a touch of durability but also ensures longevity, making it a reliable appliance for prolonged use. The package includes all the necessary components for easy installation, including hanging brackets, plastic spacers, an exhaust connector, and screws. In conclusion, the COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer impresses with its efficiency, portability, and multifunctionality. Whether you have limited space or simply seek a reliable laundry companion, this dryer stands out as a top choice for those who value performance in a compact form.